Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you're having a good day. This video is going to show you how to find the people and accounts you've blocked on Instagram. Once you've hit that block button, it's not quite so easy to find the accounts again to unblock them. But there is a quick way to find a list of every account you've ever blocked. Let's dive right in. You'll want to head over to the Instagram app, then your profile, and then hit the three-lined menu icon at the top right. I'm using an iPhone. The options might look a little different to you if you're using another operating system, or if the operating system or app has been updated since this video was published. Once the menu appears, you'll want to select the top option, Settings. On this menu, you'll want to look for the tab that says, Privacy. Then, you'll want to scroll right down to the bottom, until you see a section called Connections. Within that section, there are 4 tabs. These are, Restricted Accounts, Blocked Accounts, Muted Accounts, and Accounts you follow. To find the accounts you've blocked, select, Blocked Accounts. Here, you will find a list of every account you've ever blocked. On the right-hand side of each account, there is the option to unblock. You will not be able to see content on an account if you have blocked it. You won't be able to see how many people follow it, nor will you be able to see how many people it follows. You will only be able to see those details if you unblock the account. And that's how you find people you've blocked on Instagram. I hope I've managed to answer your question today, but I hope you stop by and check out my videos again soon. I hope you found this video useful today. But please let me know if you have any questions, or would like to suggest another video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more social media marketing and content creation tips and tricks. Have a fabulous day.